देवः
Om Bhadram Karnavi Somyam Devya
भद्रं पश्येमाक्षिभिर्यजत्रः
Bhadram Patrenakshi Shastra
स्थिरैरङ्गस्तवाङ्गं सस्तनोभिः
Novi
वश्येम देवहितं यदायु
Vasum Devayatam Yadahu
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः
Vasina Indro Yadasaraha
स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः
Vasina Pusha Isnavedaya
स्वस्ति न नस्तक्षर्यो अरिष्टनेमि
Vasina Nakshatrayo Ashtastanemi
स्वस्ति न बृहस्पति ददातु
Vasina Brahaspati Datu
ओम शांति शांति You want to read this? Oh, you can.
O you gods, may we hear with our ears what is auspicious. O worshipful ones, may we with our eyes see what is auspicious. May we live the entire length of our allotted life, hale and hearty, offering our praises. May Indra, the ancient and the famous, Pusan, the sun, the all-knowing, the lord of swift motion Vayu, who serves us from all harms, and Brahaspati, who protects the spiritual wealth in us, bless us with the intellectual strength to understand the scriptures and the heroic heart to follow the teachings. Om, peace be, peace be, peace be.
Okay.
Which page was it? 80s?
When I had marked my page as 87, which was the ninth one, I think, Jagrito Sthano Vishwan. So how many verses you all did?
Actually, mine was marked at page 89 for you. She didn't.
So which verse did we do?
I think.
She did 9th. I think you were supposed to do because I missed that. 9th and 10th she did.
No, 10th. I don't know whether she did 10th.
Did only 9th?
Do you remember?
If you have my video I sent you, you can look at the last one.
I don't get time to see all that.
No, I mean like if you have an iPhone. If I'm recording.
Oh,
Just add couple of them after that, where we were.
actually, yeah, we did. I remember we did 9, and now we are starting 10.
Okay.
10 will be page 89 for Shirin and me. Our book, page
Yeah.
89.
Mine is 90.
Okay.
So anyway, we'll just recall the thing was, the one who is now in the waking state, the letter A is the first letter of Om. On account of
Yeah.
Right.
And here this one will discuss the U, which is the
Fine Shruti.
state.
So A is the waking state
Hmm.
for the purpose of meditation. And A is the very fundamental of sounds. Man has only to open his equipment of speech, the mouth, and blow out some air, and the initial sound A is produced. The first letter A seems to be almost all the languages of the world.
Oh,
When
we
a child
covered
is
this.
born.
AUM.
So I'm
we
just
covered.
summarizing it.
Yeah.
When a child is just born, the very first sound he cries. A he does. And the all pervasiveness can be a point of comparison since all sounds are pervaded by A. The knower of the identity is glorified here in the Upanishad. Okay, now this one. स्वप्न स्थानस्थ तेजसः उकारो द्वितीय मात्रोत्कर्षद उभतिवाद्य वोतकर्षति हाय वै ज्ञानः संतितं सामनस्य च भवति नस्य ब्रह्मावती कुले भवति ya even vidaha. Sthana, swapna sthana means having sphere of activity in the dream. Status tejasya is tejasya. Ukara ditya matra is ukara ditya matra. U is the second letter.
Yeah.
Utkarsh utkarasa due to superiority. Ya ubhyakta is ya ubhyakta or on account of intermediate position, because in the sense is utkashati ve udarshana, thus heightens jnana santinam, his range of knowledge equal to all. Bhavati and becomes asya in this. Abhravati is ignorant of Brahma. Kule is family. Bhavati is will be. Yaham is that. Evam is thus. Veda, who meditate, knows. So he who is Tejasya, having for his sphere of activity in the dream state, is you or U, the second letter of Om, an account of superiority or an account of being in between the two. He who knows thus heightens to a superior knowledge and becomes equals to all and finds no one in his line of descendants who is not a knower of Brahman. Concerning the technique of idol worship, we are being provided with the details so as to what should be in our deliberately superimposition upon the second syllable of Om sound. The ego risen up as a result of our identification with our subtle body called the dreamer, who revels in the inner world of subtle objects, experiencing its dreams, is to be superimposed upon the second letter of Om. The points of comparison and common features between the dreamer and the Om, are provided by the rishis so that the disciple may conveniently meditate upon the Om sound. You want to read?
One of the common features pointed out by the Upanishad between the two is superiority. The letter U becomes after letter A, and hence the superiority. Similarly, Tejasya is considered superior to the waker because the waking state experiences are antecedent to the dream. The Vishwa, after eking out its experiences in the world of objects, deposits its impressions of the outer world in the mental zone, and it is these impressions that rise up ghost-like in order to produce the delusory world of dream for the dreamer. The second point
So the superior is because there is no time and gravity in dream. There are no restrictions of time and gravity.
But
Yeah.
he's saying A.
And you can
That's
travel,
why in the dream
you
we
can
can
travel
fly.
very fast
We
anywhere.
can dream. We fly in our dreams.
Like there is no restriction of the light or speed of light or whatever. I'm just comparing the white is superior to the Jagrat state.
Oh, okay.
So U is more superior than
Yeah.
the A.
Yeah,
because
that's what.
because it is
The dream state.
because it's a dream state. But why? I mean,
No,
That's what
that's
he's
what I'm
saying.
telling. There is no time dimension. So you
Oh,
can
there's
travel
no-
in time back and forth,
back and forth. Yeah.
and
There's
you
no
can
restriction.
fly. You can do so many things in dream
In the
which you
dream.
cannot do in.
And what is the dream?
There is
Is
no
actually
gravity
whatever we are,
restrictions.
It's just the impressions.
whatever we are
of the
experiencing
outer
in the,
world, but
whatever we are experiencing in our daily life. That is what is being stored in our
Dream is-
mind, and the dream is just
but it's
producing
just
that.
illogical, you know. Sometimes.
No,
it's
not
illogical.
in daily life, but in your previous lives also they are connected.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Because when you say
so-
you fly, you were a bird in the previous life, you were flying. So that's.
But sometimes it's so illogical, the dreams.
I know,
we-
because
That's
of
because
that.
of the previous
Because when
life,
you
but we
connect
don't
the,
remember
all the
that.
lives,
But
they
it's
are
already
in random
registered
order.
inside, and it comes
Oh,
forth in the
somehow
dream.
it comes forth, yeah.
In the dream.
But also dream is used as a source for giving messages to you.
Yes.
So depend. Heart again. Yeah. How come it's red?